JBNN keep you informed. I'm Michelle Jones, and in the news, U.S. man ordered to pay Jamaican attorney $12 million for revenge porn. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items. A software engineer based in the United States has been ordered to pay a Jamaican attorney over $12 million for allegedly causing the leak of photos and videos of their sexual encounter in what has been described as a landmark case of revenge porn. The order was made in the Jamaican Supreme Court, ending a novel lawsuit filed by the attorney, Kimberly Facey, for a breach of confidence, an old, rarely used common law cause of action, court documents revealed. The attorney said she elected to file the lawsuit in her name rather than anonymously because I am somebody. Kim Facey was attacked, and Kim Facey answered, "The case was personal to me," she said. Amid an increasing number of revenge porn cases reported locally and the prevalence of sex tapes, John Clark, the attorney who represented Facey, called it a groundbreaking ruling that should serve as a warning to others. It is a precedent that can be utilized in the future as it relates to how the court makes an award for leakage of personal image, he said yesterday. It creates, for the first time in our jurisdiction that I'm aware of, an authority that the court can look at as a guiding principle on how to treat these matters, Clark added during an interview. But Xavier Leverage, the attorney for software engineer Roderick Brown, disagreed, saying this was not a case that was determined on its merits. It was determined procedurally, so it's not a case where the judge would have heard the merits of the case and made a decision, he said. The leaked photos and videos, which were splashed across some of the more popular social media platforms, showed Facey and Brown engaging in sexual activities inside a St. Andrew apartment in July 2020. Brown, who is based in New York City, was ordered to pay Facey $11 million in damages, with 3% interest, dating back to October 2020, and $480,000 for future medical care following an assessment hearing last September. It was also ordered to destroy all videos and or images of Facey that are in his possession or control, and a final injunction bars him or his agent from releasing, posting, or uploading the images. Facey described in her lawsuit the embarrassment as well as the mental and emotional anguish she endured after she was alerted via social media to one of the video recordings on July 13, 2020. Our attorney believes the multi-million-dollar award is the court's way of underscoring the importance of a citizen's privacy rights and the safeguarding the confidence attached to it from any breaches. It is a sum that is way larger than what persons would get in a basic false imprisonment claim. So, if another lady is in a similar situation like Miss Facey, they can come forward and say, "Miss Facey got $11 million. I think I should get $9 million or $16 million, Clark asserted. But the software engineer, through his attorney, has already filed an application in the Court of Appeal challenging the $11 million award for breach of confidence, arguing that it was inordinately excessive. No judge, properly applying her mind to the evidence, could have reasonably made such an award, he contended, according to court documents listing the grounds for the legal challenge. Brown argued, too, that the presiding judge erred in finding that Facey is entitled to costs of future medical care, where a claim for injury, being complex post-traumatic stress disorder, was not properly made out. The court also granted an order barring Brown from disposing of a St. Andrew apartment and a townhouse in St. Anne, both registered in his name as security, for the $11 million award pending the outcome of the appeal. Revenge porn was among the top 3 categories of 136 reported cyber incidents in 2020, the Jamaica Cyber Incident Response Team told lawmakers on a parliamentary committee that conducted a review of Jamaica's cybercrimes legislation last year. The other 2 categories were abusive content and impersonation. Noting that victims of revenge porn often tend to remain silent and move on with their lives, Facey signaled that she wants her case to be a powerful example to both men and women, that they do not have to cower in silence, but that they can fight back. It is not gender specific. Stand up, be strong, stand up for yourselves, and confront people. Fight against people who try to abuse you. Tolerate no violations and no infractions, Facey declared. Facey indicated, too, that people all across Jamaica reached out and shared their experiences, or the experiences of family members in similar circumstances. Many did not know there was any protection under the law for these violations. She expressed the view that the breach of confidence cause of action under which her lawsuit was filed is an effective area of law to hold people to account for such cyber-related violations. She expressed the view that the breach of confidence cause of action under which her lawsuit was filed is an effective area of law to hold people to account for such cyber-related violations. JBN will keep you informed. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment, and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items.